guys. Good evening. Good evening, right? Good evening. What is my brain? Okay. Please. Online people. Good evening, ma'am. Audible. Online students. Online students. Good evening. There are results came now. Very much fast. We should talk for outside. Somebody go outside, not inside. Rule number 1. Phone calls. Always outside. I'm not stopping you. No? Okay. Phone calls always outside. Manners are important. Rule number 2. Phone calls always outside. Rule number 3. Phone calls. Rule number 4. Phone calls. Rule number 5. Rule number 6. Rule number 7. 8, 9, 10 also phone calls outside only. Again, I will not say. What the fuck? These people have some people completed by the what is not clear? Can you please confirm the chat? Online students. The voice is not clear. Voice is clear, ma? Okay. Very good. So in the 7 p.m. batch people, there are out of 20 members, there are 15 members are qualified, ma. Qualified. That's very great. In the 10:30 a.m. batch people also is qualified, but I don't know the number exactly. But connection. Now, in the morning 9 a.m. batch people, Python 3-4 members are qualified. The morning 9 a.m. batch people, they are just Python completed before 1 month you back only. Their class is started on the January 1st. Your class is started on the February. Just 1 month back only. But the 7 p.m. batch people, the topper got the 40 marks. The 40 marks topper is in our class only, our batch student only, out of 60. And he's a non-IT guy, right? He's a non-IT candidate. He's not a BTech kind of candidate. He's already doing a job in the night shift. A non-IT candidate is how much hard work he did. Are congratulates, Mahesh. A non-IT guy got topper. His name is Murthy, already got selected in Cognizant. I told na, Murthy already selected in Cognizant, and he also got top in the marks. That is good. What do you understand from this? Hard work pays you. That's why we are doing betting is always natural. Now your Python is almost completed. Your Python is almost completed. Now we have still almost 4 to 5 months course left. In this 4 to 5 months course, like everyone should develop a app. You need to develop, like yesterday we discussed. You need to come with ideas. You need to come with idea. You need to come with idea. Everyone in the class should develop one app. That app means not college app. Okay. That app is not like kind of a college app, the generally available apps. The app is you should develop by your own product. Okay. We discussed or not yesterday this? No? I think that I thought discuss with other people because you are eating my brain, na? So that's why I stopped discuss with you. That is. Okay. The thing is, everyone in the class should develop the AI app you need to develop. You need to get some idea. So I will help that. There's so many workshops are there. My AI workshops I conducted, and we already know how to use the Gemini model that we discussed one workshop in the live workshop we did Gemini model. So and you already completed Python. So now everyone get come with ideas and you need to start implement with the developments. You need to discuss with me your ideas. You need to discuss with me. If your idea is very good, so then you can start the develop, and we will try to create the front end or helps. There are so many people are there, CSS, JavaScript people are there. We will ask them their help to create a beautiful app. And if that app is really works well, I will sponsor to host in the cloud. I will sponsor it. So I will take the money. I will pay the money. You no need to pay the money. I will pay the money. So we will get the OpenAI keys. We will buy the OpenAI keys. We'll buy the Gemini keys, and I will pay the money. For the front-end development, a beautiful front-end development app, and I will pay the money for the host on the cloud so that you can create the mobile application, and you can tell to entire world, this is app I created, this is my idea, I developed this app, so this is a beautiful app. Then showcase your capability to the entire world. That is the use case. You need to showcase your capability. Okay, you should not be kind of a like sheeps kind of thing. I don't like that. You should show the capability. You imagine that you are going to some startup and you are selling your idea. It's a POC. We call it's called POCs. POC is nothing but proof of concept. In every company, first what they will do now, they will develop some POCs. Then they will contact to the clients, means companies, and they will sell it. Okay, this is I developed. If you are like that, we will serve you and give me the money. I will give the better position because this is a capability. You only developed. Why you only developed means you need data. The data who will search? You should only search. You need to write the code. The code you will write. The code who will write? Me, huh? You only write the code. The outcome, the worry about the outcome, who will do? You only will do. Everything you only do. I will just guide you. I will just support you. Where you lack, how you lack. I will push you. Then you need to come up with your. This is not happen in 1 or 2 months. It's happened 4 to 5 months. Maybe 1 year also. You need to parallelly do your job, and parallelly you need to develop your application. That might be because product nare. A product should not come in 1 or 2 months. It might be 4 months, it might be 6 months, it might be 1 year, it might be 2 years. But I will guide you. Ultimately, this product patent writings, who is the patent writings? You only the patent writing. This is your product. You are the owner. And you research, you do research, and you write in the code, and you are thinking about the outcome. This is all your job only. You need to research, you need to write the code, you need to think about that. And even though if that output, is not coming, but you can talk about your product minimum 20 minutes or not, because you only did, na? Research you did, code you developed, thinking you are thinking, then you are not able to talk about your product. Then the people, outside people convince, na, okay, this guy really done something. With that convince, na, then they will try to give the job. And that is should be your resume real-time projects. Because you are just young kids, na, just 22 years old, 21, 23, hardly 25. Many people are freshers, very less people are employees. We can do miracles, ra. A simple mosquito bat, ra. A simple mosquito bat. What is there in that? Current shock, a simple. Then every family has mosquito bat. Okay. You can sell your product, a simple product, any product. Think about that. Go and meet the persons in your family. There is the doctors are there. There the doctors are there. There the engineers are there, and there is the teachers are there. There the teachers are there. There the agriculture is there. Agriculture farmers are there, and there the manufacturing owners are there. Factory owners are there, and talk to them. Go and meet with the doctors. Bhaiya, अभी AI चल रहा है ना, कैसा use case is very helpful to you. Talk to them. He will say that here we are facing very trouble. If you develop this, it will be very helpful. He will give the ideas. Talk to the engineers. Talk to teachers. You want to develop any educated app, talk to farmers and talk to factory owners, manufacturing. What kind of use cases you want? Where you are feeling trouble? Can I develop using my AI skills? Talk with them. They will give the ideas. And you need to work on the feasibility or not feasibility. You need a mentor. And that mentor, Omkar sir, is there with you now. I'm there with you. So like that you need to develop. You should not be like kind of a, you know, you should take risk, ma. I tell na, you can take the risk. You can take the risk in life before what? Before you enter into a drama. What is a drama? Marriage, kids, and EMI. Before that only have a option. After that, no option. You can't take risk. Now only you can take risk. समझा? वंस मैरिज हो गया, किड्स हो गया, ईएम हो गया, पैसे कमाओ ईएमआई में डालो, पैसे कमाओ ईएमआई में डालो. That's all. That's only life. So choose your life because AI, this is AI technology, na? AI life, world is transition. A single app, a single application can change your fate. That is. And everything is there in front of you. Laptop is there. Talk with ChatGPT. Don't discuss with anyone. I got this idea, ChatGPT or Grog. Tell me this idea is possible or not. If I want to make this idea is possible, what are the steps? What should I do? It will give the idea. Do this, do that, do that, do this. Then make some block diagrams, make some one document and discuss with me. And so that I will help you. What kind of help I can do that I will help you. I have so many resources are there. I am telling Nara, I will invest, Ra. I will invest. If everything is works, you can upload your app into Play Store, Google Store, and sell that 100 rupees app. Paisa also will come, money also will come, na? If anyone buy your app, some content is there, they'll buy it. Think in that way. Some AI trading app, share market app, like that, they will buy the further tips. So think in that perspective, like that. If everything is going good, and very very helpful for your job futures also. You can challenge them. What you have capability? I developed this app. Simple. I'm trying to develop this app. This is my idea. I'm working on this. Then they will ask you, explain your app. Then you will explain because you are done now every time. You should learn the subject and the next 4 months, 5 months, you need to parallelly, you need to work on your applications. And you need to carry forward to any next one if you're not able to do. That will give more satisfaction. समझा? महेश मैच ఎవరెవరికి की हाँ मैच ఎవరెవరికి రా समझा? Think about that. Come with ideas. Yesterday I talked with the technology guy in the Naresh IT. I told na. So he told that I told him why you are not getting creating the products with our students. We can give the internship certifications also. Then why you are not doing means he asked me one question only. Our students capable, sir. He's asking this question. Is our students are capable? Why that guy is getting that kind of question? You are not capable, huh? You are not capable, huh? Why? That question only asked. I asked him. I told him that why you are not trying to create some products with our students. Products with our students. So if product click to your name only, and they will get some internship certificate. They will get some internship certificate. Internship. Then the immediate question is that only is our students are capable. I got shocked. Huh? You're not capable, huh? Then I told they are capable. My students are capable. Then immediately called to one North Indian consultancy. They have some gutka, pan, parak. They will eat more now. There are some cancer things are coming. They want to take the picture and they want to identify. That app is trying to develop. That some consultancy. Immediately it talked in front of me. I told that you have a CSS people are there. You have a AI people are there. You have a cloud people are there. So many resources are there. Why you are wasting your resources? AI people can develop AI code, and CSS JavaScript people can develop the app, and cloud people can deploy on the cloud. Na? And then, itna resources are there. You can do miracles, this kind of institutions, and trainers are there, like that. You are capable. You are capable. I am there with you because your Omkars are students. Believe that. Samjha? You are capable. Try to do something, ra. That's all. If you don't do something, don't eat. Don't eat. If you don't do something, don't eat. It's okay. Skip the meal. If anyone asks you why you are skipping meals, today I did not done anything. I'm not eligible to eat. Think like that. Samjha online people. Arey, eat okay. Really don't eat like don't do like that. Eat thoda thoda eat kar, okay? Chalo. Open Jupyter notebooks. Do something, do something. You have a starting only, na? Starting of your course only. We can do many things. Idea will not come in 1 or 2 days. You need to travel. You need to search it. You need to think about it. Your place, your village, your town, maybe your business, whatever the idea. Think in that perspective. Ideas will not come in 1 or 2 days, ma. You need to think about it. You need to expose the use case. What is making worrying you? In India, what is the greatest technology came in the recent year from India? What is the greatest technical output coming? Other than apps, Ola app, Uber app, Joe app, Oyo app. Other than apps, what is the excellent product coming? Nothing, na? We can't say this product is excellent product from India. Other than apps, nothing is there. Mentor is important. When I am studying, no mentors. When you are studying, I am there, na? Mentors, supporters are very, very important. Lambda functions. Python session number. कितना रहा? $90 ना? Today you'll get assignments, ra? Because you are getting holidays, no? Tomorrow morning 7:30 a.m. class, like we discussed. That I will give recording video. Recording video. 1.5 hour only. 1 hour. Don't worry. Tomorrow we have class at 7:30 a.m. SQL class. 7:30 to 7:30 to 8:45. Recording video will provided. Class both online plus offline. Both. And link will share. ఎక్కడున్నావు అజయ్? ఎక్కడున్నావు? అవునా? రేపు మార్నింగ్ 7:30 AM క్లాస్ పెట్టుకుంటున్నా. ఈవినింగ్ క్లాస్ పొద్దుట షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తున్నా కంబైండ్. ఆ రోజులాగా అది. ఈవినింగ్ మార్నింగ్ ఊరు వెళ్తున్నా మధ్యాహ్నం. మార్నింగ్ 5:30, ఈవినింగ్ 5:30, ఈవినింగ్ 7 PM. లింక్ పాతది ఒకటి లింక్ ఉండే కదా, లాస్ట్ సాటర్డే ఇచ్చినావు కదా, ఆ లింక్ వర్క్ అవుతుందో ఒకసారి కనుక్కొని అదే లింక్ షేర్ చేద్దాం కమెంట్ క్లాస్కి. ఓకేనా? ఒకసారి కనుక్కొని చెప్పేసి. क्या है, इंटरनेट वेरी स्लो. चलो leave it. What is the list comprehensions? Tell me. List comprehensions. Case 1 bolo. What is the case 1 list comprehension? How we write? Everyone. Output for loop. If you don't say that, go to 5th floor now. Okay, simple. Case 2. Case 2. Output. Everyone should say. Next. For loop. Ever read for loop annadi? If condition. Which output ra? If output. If output. If condition. Next. For loop. Next third one. बोलो थर्ड वन बताओ. If output, if condition, next else output, and for loop. And next case 4 बताओ. If output, okay, if output, if condition, next else, if output means elif na, elif. Next if condition means elif condition. Next else, next else output, next for loop. Very good. Do you remember or not? Chalo, just write it, recap it, write all without seeing. Two thousand 547 seconds means how much, ra? 2500 seconds means how much? Don't know. ఎంతమ్మా? 2500. 41 ఏంటి మినిట్సా? మరి దిస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్ రన్నింగ్ 41 minutes. Scored. Next, similarly, lambda functions also similar approach only. Lambda functions also, lambda functions Lambda functions gives an idea to write a function in a single line. It is also a function. It is also a function. It is also a function. It also has some arguments and outputs. Pattern number 1, function without argument. Function without argument is easy only. With one argument, lelo. With one argument. Function with one argument. Next, you should qualify the data science exam, screening exam. Especially for freshers, it will be very helpful. Every day, Python you need to practice every day. You know where you are lagging. Many people are not practicing up to the mark. Forget about logic development. At least what we completed also, that also you are not able to remember the rules and regulations. That is very itching. Definition, multiplication of A and return of A into A and multiplication of 10, the answer equal to 100. It is a normal function. Write it. Normal function. Definition of multiplication of A, return of A into A, return of A into A. Now the syntax is what your function name, equal to lambda argument name colon and output, return output. Function name lambda, argument name, return output. This is the syntax, China. What is the function name here? Everyone, function name equal to mul. Argument name. Online people, you are not saying. What is the argument name? A. Online people, am I audible to you or not? I will not teach you if you are not saying anything. Why are you irritating me? I ask you to, you are not saying anything, still you are not responding. This is ridiculous. You're watching Hotstar, match kora. Where match? Chennai RCB. If you don't answers, OB duck out, EB duck out. You don't answers now. Who will, right? Where it is? Katam Jindai, RCB. Who will win? RCB. How many spinners in Chennai? 3, 4, Virat Kohli. Bol update. Now they are saying answers. Update it. Now write it. Write it. This is the last chance. There is no further Python codes like this. Experiments. I am writing syntax. You need to write the output. At least try to execute the output. Function name, Omkars are given. Lambda, argument name is there. Colon, output name. Exactly write it. At least now also prove yourself. At least. We did many times like this kind of things. Many times I provided idea. 70% code I only given many times. What is the answer? Bolo. Multiplication equal to lambda. Lambda, green color will come now. A colon A into A. This is nothing but function now. It is a function. What is the function name? Mul. We calculate it. What is coming? Function. Do you remember? Then bound method function, what is missing? Bracket open, bracket close. How many arguments? One argument. Give is equal 20. Answer kitna? 400. That's all. That's called lambda function. That is called lambda function. Seema, tell your friend going home, huh? Friend already? You? Why? Both are some same place, huh? Both are from Odisha. From where Odisha? Chanpur. Jajpur. Write this. Write this, ma. I will add the function. You write implement the lambda function. Implement the lambda function. Implement the lambda function. Able to implement it or not? Check it. Use your common sense now. Use your common sense for the second pattern. First pattern, one argument only. Second pattern, how it look like? Use the common sense. Able to do it or not? easy only. Cube equal to lambda a colon a into a cube of suppose 20. The answer is equal to what happened? 8,000. Very simple. Now two arguments. Same syntax. I will write the syntax. Function name equal to lambda argument 1 comma argument 2 colon return output. Return output. Two arguments. Add equal to lambda a comma b colon a plus b. Add of 20 comma 30. Lambda function is easy na? Easy only. Rules are important. Always. चलो 3 arguments लिखो. 3 arguments. 3 arguments. 3 arguments. Three arguments. Average equal to follow lambda a comma b comma c colon a plus c by 3. Average equal to 1 comma 5 comma 7. Can you do round off on this? Can you do round off? Round off. ఏసీ ఎక్కువ వస్తలే చిన్న ఏసీ వస్తుంది చెక్ చే వస్తుందా ఫుల్ ఉందా మొత్తం తక్కువ పెట్టేసి రిమోట్ పట్టుకొచ్చి తక్కువ వేసి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ఏమా రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ round off working default parameter default value c is equal to 7 default c is equal to 7 default Default. Default. 3 arguments, round off. Next, pattern number. Shall I move next, online people? If and else. If and else. Suppose find the greatest number between two numbers. Pattern number 4. If and else. Priya, find the greatest number middle. If you write any lines now, it will not work, Shinna. Okay, same like if you want to write some other lines here middle, don't think like that. Okay, it will not work like that. If you write 10 lines here, line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, here also write 10 lines, that will not work. Okay, so lambda functions are only function direct attack functions, direct, and it will be helpful very in the EDA. If you have a data frame is there, the data frame 5000 rows are there, you no need to apply for loop, automatically it will be do one step only, it will complete it. That we will see how to do. As of now, concentrate on that. Find the greatest number between two numbers. What is the code? Tell me. What is the code? If x greater than y, then return x. Else return y. Correct? The list comprehension, if and else, how we are writing the output? In the list comprehension, for not time pass, I ask you to write today. The list comprehension, how we are writing output? First, which output is coming? If output, next what is coming? Next, else, next, same, that is only output in the lambda function. So syntax is, function name equal to lambda argument 1 comma argument 2 comma argument 2 output colon if output if condition else output. Try this. Getting hand pain. Working? Online people. So what we learned in the past, it is helping now. Amma. Function name greater equal to lambda x comma y colon x if y else y greater two arguments 100 comma 40. The answer is 100. How many hidden residents? Super. Now using list pattern number 5. Pattern number 5. Pattern number 5. Using lists. We already know a list is equal to Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Pune, and Chennai, Bangalore. I want to capitalize this. How we are doing with using for loop? Do it, do it. For I, N, L, follow. Output equal to, follow. Out dot append of I dot capitalize. Then here we are getting the out. First note on this. And it was Monday holiday, na? Tomorrow? ఇంటికి వెళ్తున్నావు మరి ఎక్కడ అన్నావు? కర్నూలా? విజయవాడ. విజయవాడలో ఎక్కడ? గొల్లపూడి. అది అమరావతి. మంచి ల్యాండ్లు ఉన్నాయా? రిచ్చా ఫుల్? డెవలప్ కాలేదు. గవర్నమెంట్ ఇచ్చింది అప్పుడు డబ్బులు? నువ్వు సెల్ చేయలేదు. ఎవరికి ఇవ్వలేదు. ఇస్తారా? ఫ్యూచర్ ప్లాన్ ఇయరా? రిస్కిట్ అయితే నువ్వు. Look at the board, ma. We need to follow some rules here again. Okay. Step number one. Step number one. Function name. Function name. Lambda. No need a function name. Direct look at lambda. Let's see the lambda. Lambda. Variable. Variable. Comma. Sorry, colon. Output. Simple. In above code, what is the variable? What is the output? Who is the variable in this? L is variable. అరే ఏంద్రా ఎల్ ఎట్లరా వేరియబుల్ అయినారా? హూ ఈజ్ చేంజింగ్, దట్ ఈస్ ద వేరియబుల్ నా? అరే 45 days బిఫోర్ వేరియబుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ వేరియబుల్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్ మా? వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్ రా? రామశంకర, వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్ రా? దట్ వేరియబుల్ కెన్ వేరీనా? ఎల్ ఈజ్ వేరింగ్, హూ ఈజ్ వేరింగ్? దెన్ వాట్ రా? ఏమిరా మీ చదువు? అరే డోంట్ సే మై నేమ్ రా ప్లీజ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. డోంట్ సే వీఆర్ నాట్ నరేష్ స్టూడెంట్స్. say that we are not Naresh Reddy students, please. अरे इतना ब्लंडर मिस्टेक्स क्या है? It is very bad. It is. I am telling na, you are worst. You are not practicing. I am telling na on the face. You are not at all up to the mark. 45 days over. Still I am asking who is the variable mean. Are what is common? What is changing? What is common? What is changing? What is common? What is changing? How to replace with I? That is also every time we did na. That is. Who is the variable? What is the output? Output क्या? बोलो Sirisha Reddy Somula. What is the output in this? Output is output. I dot capitalize. That output we are saving. What you are saying? I dot capitalize. Out is not output. Out is not output. लिखो. ఏటరా దేవుడా గోవిందా. लैम्डा वेरिएबल. क्या वेरिएबल क्या? आई कोलन. आउटपुट क्या? I dot capitalize. I know students are beautiful. I will not take next time onwards 5:30 batch. This is the first 5:30 batch I am taking. Because chairman sir requested. Hello 5:30 batch like that. Then I took. I will not take it next time onwards. Function is ready. Now step number 2. Where we are getting this I? I where is we are getting I? I where we are getting? From where? I from where? Ammaya, thank God. Panchapandav कितना है? Panchapandav कितना है? That only. Ammaya. So then step 2. Comma list. Comma list. That is step 2. Comma list. Laptop charging. Comma list. Update it. Comma list. Yesterday, me and madam discuss about one thing. If anyone parents will strict, that kid will automatically will study. No, that madam is saying. I told that is not a right statement. That is a wrong statement. Okay. If strict means you will not study, na? The study should come by interest. That I told that. There are three things are there. You are very good at studies, but you don't have economically good. And you are economically very good, but study ille. And third one, you are good at studies and you are economically good. That's a full combination. Like that. So nowadays everyone has money, but study is there or not? That's the thing. Now you see. Tuple aa gaya, tuple. You see, right? One function, comma, second one is what? List. So your how to do is ready and how to get is ready. How to do means I dot capitalize. From where you are getting? L. Samjha? Now this both you need to combine. That's called mapping. What is called? Map. Now put heading map. Put heading map. Now step number 3. Step number 3. We need to map both. Map the both. Following among online people. First lambda function, next comma list. Now both map it. Now map it. Do it, Chinna. Map the both. Map it. Map it. Now your famous will display. You know what to do next. You know what to do next. What is this? Less than greater than symbol. In order to see output, क्या करना? That is the final step 4. Apply it. Step 4 is apply the list of map of mantra. List of map of. List of map of. Then you'll be able to see the answer. This is called interview question. List of map. 4 steps are involved. Lambda function and your outcome, how to do, and from where you get it, list. Both are combined using mapping. Output will store at address and get by using what? List. Do it again. One by one, 4 steps. Everyone, 4 steps. Do it one by one. Record. I should shave. Hmm? I dot capitalize. 4 steps. Do it, ma. Do it, ma. Do it. First lambda I comma I dot capitalize is the first step we did. Next lambda I comma colon, I bad, I colon, then I dot capitalize comma list, then map of lambda and this, next list of map of and this. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. Can you do fadafat these questions or famous questions? We did already in the list comprehensions. Do this fadafat output. Even Chinna? Not getting that. Only last only. For explanation only, I'm getting this. In the real time, we'll do one last only. For explanation only, that is, we are going. Do this. Do one line only. That is one ma. Ellu dedo ma. Ellu. Height is a mean. That is one ma chinna. You provide L. There's a lot of difference between L and 1. That's a give list. List 1. Samjha? That is one chinna. There is one trending is going Nare. Oh, Ghibli style. Anyone tried? Ghibli. Huh? You don't know Ghibli? Entire world is panicking. Ghibli. Ghibli, correct na? Ghibli. Ghibli style image. AI is generating a Ghibli style images. Ghibli is one of the famous animation in the Japan, Korea. We can upload one image, you'll get that some Ghibli style kind of images like this. AI is generating for you. Nowadays everyone is keeping that deep in. You don't know? थोड़ा Instagram के बाहर आ जाओ भाई. Try it. Try and share in the WhatsApp group. Let's see. Today you just try and share in the WhatsApp group anyone. How it is coming, Ghibli style. Using generating, AI generating. Upload an image to ChatGPT or I think Grok and ask the Ghibli style generating image. It will give it. Send to your girlfriend. So happy she'll feel. Wow, you know so much, she'll say. Completed, Completed? How many completed? Out of 6. 5 completed? Last one getting error? Online people? How many completed? 4. Your hands. 4 completed? Why? क्या हुआ माँ? Easy only ना? ఇది ఆల్రెడీ చేసినాం కదా ఇవన్నీ లిస్ట్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్లో. చేయండి. చలో కమ్ టు దిస్. You already did that. This is the output. क्या करना फर्स्ट if condition for loop for I in input 1 if add in I then output dot append of I. Here what is their output? Equal to square bracket. Now here you might have written, how you written lambda? Bolo. Next I colon by output here. Who is output? I dot capital is above. Now who is here? Ash in I. Ash in I. Ash in I. That is the output. That is the true. We are making that. Ash in I. Run it. Run it. Now apply the list to apply the map. Check it. What is coming? For this, ash in I ma. Ash in I. Come on. What is coming ma? Boolean values. Correct? Here input 1. Then you are applying what? Map. You are applying what? Map. Then you are applying what? List. Online people, correct? Here instead of I, you can't write I dot capitalize. Now what you can write? Ash in I only. Now here, if you want to see the answer, you need to apply filter. Put setting filter. Filter. Put side heading filter. Now instead of map, apply the filter. Instead of map, apply the filter and check it. Answer will come. Filter will extract the true values. Instead of map, apply the filter chinna. How many are going home tomorrow? 1, 2. That's all. Ticket booked? M train? Train. Bus. Bus. తిరుపతికి ఎంతసేపు మా చాలా దూరం వెళ్ళాలిగా లోకలా తిరుపతి లోకలేనా ఎక్కడ లౌడ్లీ హెచ్ వినబడతలేదు. వినబడిందమ్మా పక్కమ్మాయి నీకు? గట్టి చెప్పు. తిరుచానూరా? అమ్మవారి టెంపుల్ దగ్గరనా? ఎక్కడ తిరుచానూరులో? అమ్మవారి టెంపుల్ దాటిపోవన్నా? ఇది వచ్చినప్పుడు మేము ఇమీడియట్గా కలుస్తాడు. మరి లాస్ట్ టైం నేను ఫోన్ చేసినప్పుడు నేను వచ్చినా తిరుపతికి, నన్ను ఎందుకు పిలవలేదు మీ ఇంటికి? లాస్ట్ టైం నువ్వు ఫోన్ చేసినప్పుడు నీకు ఏం చెప్పినా? నేను తిరుపతికి వస్తున్నా అని చెప్పినా. నన్ను ఎందుకు పిలవలేదు మీ ఇంటికి? అప్పుడు అల్లే అప్పుడు లేవా? దాని ఫిల్టర్ మ్యాప్ మ్యాపింగ్ ట్రూ అండ్ ఫాల్స్ ఫిల్టర్. వెరీ గుడ్. समझा ऑनलाइन पीपल? Now can you do quickly this? Our famous question, sum of first natural numbers. Can you apply the use valorous operator quickly? Sum of the first 10 natural numbers. Valorous operator, list comprehension. Normal for loop, valorous operator, lambda function. Repeated 2 times, huh? Online people, voice is good, ma? Acha, repeating, good, not good? Hey, Mora. Okay, I felt it's good. Very good. Thanks. Apply it, ma. Apply the normally. Sum of first natural numbers. Method 1. Method 1. Sum equal to 0 for I in range of 1, 11. Do it fast. Sum equal to sum plus I, print sum. Next, valorous operator. Sum, instead of sum plus I, what you are writing? Colon. Don't look at the board, this is done, and it's very, very important. You go wherever you go in India, very less people will teach this method. I challenge that. Okay, they already learned, some people are learned Python. Ask them. They're covered in their school or colleges before that. And for I in range of 1, 11, you will get last answer. कैसे आता last answer? -1. Because sum equal 0 लेना चाहिए, otherwise overwrite. Because above we already done ना. Sum equal to 0. This is a method 2. Method 2. Voice is not clear, ma. Can you please confirm the chat? Good. Singham Narasimha Reddy, clear antama. Check your internet connection. ఇప్పుడు అదే కదా, అందుకే మెథడ్ 2, మెథడ్ 2, మెథడ్ 3. అందుకే మెథడ్ 1, మెథడ్ 2, మెథడ్ 3. Now method 3, using reduce. Using reduce. Map, filter, reduce. Using reduce చిన్న. Reduce is a method. Reduce is a method under function tools. Under function tools. It takes list as input, means sum of list. Sum of list. Nana. Nana, good morning. Sir, good evening. బాగానే ఉన్నా. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో ఉన్నా. ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ రేపు మధ్యాహ్నం. లేదు, రేపు మధ్యాహ్నం వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. Sum of list. If you want to perform some math operations, what are the math ma? Min, max, sum, min, max, sum, this kind of operation, then go with reduce. Using lambda. Lambda plus like map, filter, reduce. Go with reduce. Reduce the method under function tools. It takes list as input, means sum of list. Like we already know, import random dot from random import like this. Import random dot rand. You know very well. We will learn same thing also. From random import what? Rand int. Both are same. So if you only imported random, you need to call the rand int like this. No sir, I don't want to use extra. I will do this method. So you can use what directly? Rand int of 10 comma 20. Here also suppose 20 comma 30. Both are same. Now reduce is available where? क्या करना now? Tell me. From, bolo everyone, from random. Bolo loudly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bolo. From function tools import reduce. Do it. From function tools import reduce. From function tools import reduce. Lambda sum comma I colon sum plus I. Input 2 input, sum equal to 0 and I, sum equal to sum plus I. Step number 1. Lambda sum comma I colon sum plus I comma provide a list input. Now reduce lambda like this. Check it. These are the case 1, first step, second step, third step. Take a list of some numbers. List of some numbers. List of some numbers ma. Lambda sum I. List 1 is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 suppose. Do it now. Lambda sum comma I colon sum plus I, lambda sum comma I colon sum plus I, comma क्या list 1, next reduce bracket open bracket close, आ गया आंसर. 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10 150 है. Getting among online people. Reduce. By default, sum equal to what is taking, ma? By default, are we providing default sum equal to 0? By default, it taking what sum equal to 0 automatically. 0 automatically. By default, sum equal to 0. No, sir, I don't want default sum equal to 0. I want sum equal 200 से start करना. Getting idea? I want start with the 200. Now come to here. Look at the board. Look at the board, Chinna. Look at the board. Here by default, what is there? 0. Answer कितना आ रहा है? I want start with 100. तो आंसर कितना आता? बोला इंस्टेंस आंसर कितना आता? 0 అయితే 55, 100 అయితే 155. समझा? How can I get 155 here then? That's the question. Getting? Now note down it. We'll think about it. Default equal to 0. Default equal to 0. Instead of list, what we can provide, ma? Range of 1, 11. Both are same. Both are same. Range of 1, 11 also list of 1 to 10 only, ra. Remember that. Range of 1, you provide a list. I am providing directly what? Range. Both are same. Both are same, Chinna. Range of 1, 11 means 1 to 10 only. 1 to 10 only. Both are same. You no need to write directly. We need to provide a list. That's why what we are providing. Simply range of 1, 11. Otherwise, you need to create the list first. Otherwise, you need to create the list. Extra burden, na? That's why what we are using. Directly. Range of 1, 11. Now last punch. 200 से शुरू होना. इधर से शुरू होना by default. Look at the board. Online people, clear this concept, everyone. Online students, clear. First, what we are writing? Tell me, ma. Forward. Bolo, what we are writing first? Lambda, sum comma, I, colon, sum plus I. Next, lambda, sum comma, I, sum plus I, comma, list 1. When you write by default, it start with 0, ma. Now, again, repeat the same thing. Lambda, bolo, lambda, sum, comma, I, colon, sum plus I, comma, list 1, comma, 100. So by default किधर से start होता? 100. That's all. समझा? चलो check it. Starts with 100. Now apply the reduce on this. Apply the reduce on this. Apply the reduce. Now 250. You apply the range of 1 to 10, then you will get 1, 55. 155. Simple. Everyone should practice the lambda functions. Next week, every day practice session only. Those who are completed practice, they only allow to the statistics class next week. Every day. Reduce not defined. Reduce import करना पहले. Reduce जो function tools में होता. From function tools. Import reduce. Range of list అన్న range అన్న ఒకటే రాయాలి. ఏదైనా ఒకటే రాయాలి. ఈ సమ్ అవసరం లేదు, జీరో ఎక్స్ట్రా అంతే. చలో మా టుమారో క్లాస్ ఎట్ 7:30 AM. Online people link will change. If any want to attend that also will provide the link. Okay. Whenever class will combined, new link. You already know, right? Don't confuse in the group. Online people, you are so smart. Help to others. Whenever class will extra class, combined class, new link will come. Okay. Again, don't irritate in the group, please. I know you are very beautiful. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.